Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Earthy Elegance, gray stone kitchen design. Imagine a kitchen that combines timeless sophistication with a touch of rustic charm. A gray stone kitchen design offers a beautiful and functional space that's both elegant and inviting. The natural beauty of the stone adds a grounded feel, while the versatility of gray allows for endless design possibilities. Key characteristics: gray stone countertops. Gray stone countertops serve as the centerpiece of the kitchen. Options include granite, soapstone, or quartz, each offering unique veining patterns and textures. Warm wood cabinetry. Warm wood cabinetry creates a beautiful contrast with the cool gray tones of the countertops. Choose light or medium wood tones for a brighter feel, or go for a richer, darker wood for a more dramatic look. Sleek hardware. Modern and sleek hardware in finishes like brushed nickel or stainless steel complements the clean lines of the countertops and cabinetry. Stainless steel appliances. Stainless steel appliances add a touch of shine and professionalism to the space. Consider incorporating black stainless steel for a more contemporary look. Statement backsplash. Optional: a statement backsplash in a complementary material like subway tile, mosaic tile, or even a continuation of the gray stone can add visual interest and a touch of personality. Natural light and open floor plan. Optional: maximizing natural light through large windows and an open floor plan creates a sense of spaciousness and encourages a connection between the kitchen and other living areas. Overall vibe: a gray stone kitchen design is a study in contrasts, cool and warm, natural and modern. It creates a sophisticated and inviting space that's perfect for cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning. Extra touches: large kitchen island. A large kitchen island with a waterfall countertop adds functionality and creates a natural gathering spot for family and friends. Open shelving. Open shelving for displaying dishes and cookbooks adds a touch of personality and allows for easy access to frequently used items. Pot filler faucet. Optional: a pot filler faucet mounted on the wall above the stove adds a touch of luxury and functionality. Pendant lighting. Pendant lights hanging over the island or countertop provide task lighting and add a decorative element. By incorporating these elements and personalizing them to your taste, you can create a stunning gray stone kitchen design that reflects your style and offers a beautiful and functional space for culinary creations. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a gray stone kitchen design: timeless beauty and versatility, enduring style. Gray stone countertops are a classic choice that transcends trends, ensuring your kitchen remains stylish for years to come. Neutral palette. The cool gray tones of the stone create a versatile backdrop that allows you to experiment with different cabinet colors, backsplash materials, and appliance finishes. Sophistication and elegance. Natural stone exudes a sense of sophistication and luxury, instantly elevating the look and feel of your kitchen. Warmth, functionality, and durability. Warm contrast with wood cabinets. Gray countertops beautifully contrast with warm wood cabinets, creating a kitchen that's both elegant and inviting. Durable and easy to maintain. Natural stone is a highly durable material that resists scratches, stains, and heat. It requires minimal maintenance, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Increased home value. High-quality gray stone countertops can potentially increase the value of your home, especially if they complement the overall design style. Light and design flexibility. Adapts to different lighting. Gray stone countertops appear different depending on the lighting. They can look cool and sleek in bright light or warm and inviting under softer lighting. Wide range of stone choices, from light gray soapstone to dramatic dark granite. There's a gray stone option to suit various design preferences and budgets. Allows for statement elements. The neutral base of gray stone allows you to incorporate a statement backsplash, unique lighting fixtures, or colorful accents for a personalized touch. Overall, a gray stone kitchen design offers a perfect blend of timeless elegance, functionality, and design flexibility. It creates a beautiful and sophisticated space that's both inviting and easy to maintain. Here's a roadmap to guide you through designing your dream gray stone kitchen, a space that's both beautiful and functional. Planning and assessment. 1. Define your needs and budget. Determine your cooking style, how you'll use the kitchen, entertaining, everyday meals, and the overall functionality you desire. Establish a realistic budget for the project, considering the cost of countertops, cabinets, appliances, backsplash materials, flooring, and any additional features. 2. Measure your kitchen. Carefully measure your kitchen's dimensions, including wall lengths, ceiling height, window and door placements, and existing plumbing locations. This information is crucial for planning the layout of your countertops, cabinets, and appliances. Consider professional measuring for complex layouts. 3. Existing elements. Consider the existing elements in your kitchen, such as flooring and trim. Ensure the gray stone you choose complements these elements for a cohesive look. Design and material selection. 1. Gray stone selection. Explore different types of gray stone for your countertops. Consider factors like color variations, veining patterns, durability, maintenance requirements, and budget. Popular options include granite, soapstone, and quartz. 2. Cabinetry selection. Choose cabinet styles and colors that complement the gray stone. Opt for warm wood tones like light oak or maple for a classic look. Or consider darker woods like walnut or espresso for a more dramatic effect. 3. Appliance selection. Select appliances that match your desired aesthetic and functionality. Stainless steel appliances are a popular choice, but black stainless steel can add a contemporary touch. 4. Backsplash design. Decide on a backsplash material that complements the overall design. Consider subway tile, mosaic tile, or even a continuation of the gray stone for a sleek look. Creating a functional and inviting space. 1. Layout planning. Plan the layout of your countertops, cabinets, and appliances for optimal functionality. Consider the work triangle, sink, stove, refrigerator, for efficient workflow. Utilize design software or graph paper sketches to visualize different layouts. 2. Lighting design. Develop a lighting plan that provides ample task lighting for food preparation areas and ambient lighting for a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider under-cabinet lighting, pendant lights over the island, and recessed ceiling lights. 3. Storage solutions. Maximize storage with features like pull-out drawers, built-in pantries, and pot and pan drawers. This helps maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Bringing the design to life. 1. Consult with professionals. Optional. Consider consulting with a kitchen designer or architect for professional guidance on space planning, material selections, and ensuring your design adheres to building codes. 2. Hire a contractor. Hire a qualified contractor experienced in kitchen renovations to handle countertop installation, cabinetry, plumbing, and electrical work. 3. Flooring and finishing touches. Choose flooring that complements the overall design. Consider easy-to-clean options like tile or luxury vinyl plank. Finally, personalize the space with decorative elements like artwork, plants, and colorful accessories. Remember, research online resources and magazines for inspiration on gray stone kitchen designs. Create a mood board to visualize your design ideas and color palette. Prioritize functionality when designing the layout and selecting appliances. Don't be afraid to experiment with textures and patterns, but ensure they create a cohesive look. By following these steps and personalizing your choices, you can create a stunning gray stone kitchen that reflects your style and offers a beautiful and functional space for culinary adventures. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.